come over to my house? Oh, he said yes.
Tell her you love her.
Bye.
Say,
I love you. I love you too. She kissed my ear.
She kissed your ear? What did she tell you? What are you talking to her about?
She come over.
Let me see. Are you done? Are you still talking to her? She's.
Hello. Bye. Bye. Mama, their place. Yeah. Kari, want my scooter? Yeah. Why? He said yes. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? I'll come to Kari and Amy. I think they come over. Can I? I'm got a camera.